Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download or install MoneyLover app in your device. MoneyLover is a budgeting and expense tracking app designed to help you manage your personal finances. Now moving on to the video, first of all go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search MoneyLover. There you can see MoneyLover, tap on it. Then press install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open MoneyLover app and start tracking your expenses and income. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.